How to edit Instagram story settings. First of all, navigate to Instagram app on your device. Make sure that you log into your account. Now proceed by tapping on the profile icon at bottom right corner and head toward three bar icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and then look for the option of messages and story replies and select that. And here you will see the option of story replies. Here you can easily choose who can reply to your stories. If you don't want to, or if you don't want to allow story replies, you can select that. Otherwise, you can allow story replies from everyone or allow story replies only from people you follow. You can come back and then come back. Here you can easily hide a story and live from the particular user by checking mark the small box next to the username. You can even tap the search bar and type in the username of that particular person from whom you want to hide your story from. Select the done button once you are done. And after that, you can even choose the close friends. Come back and here you will see close friends option. Select that. And now you simply need to check mark that particular friend whom you want to select as close friends so that whenever you add close friends story, those particular people will only be able to see. So in this way, you can easily edit Instagram story settings on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.